The design echoes the island's traditional building style, not with a slavish imitation, but with a respectful nod. The existing flora remains untouched, the site's natural terraces are reshaped, and the house itself is a collection of independent volumes or gaps that emerge from the layout. Nestled on a terrace, the entrance is cleverly hidden in the void between the house and the terrace behind. A path follows the slope, connecting the separate volumes and offering a trio of distinct courtyards, a covered one nestled at the heart of the house, a shady haven beneath oak trees adjoining the living room, and finally, a sun-drenched space at the end of the corridor. Perpendicular to this path lie the main areas, the living room and 2 bedrooms, all facing the sea. Circulation and service spaces, entrance, hallways, and bathrooms act as voids, stitching together the primary volumes. The flat roof mirrors the house plan, showcasing the individual volumes and their relationships. It's also the main facade, visible from a distance. This multifunctional roof provides cross-ventilation for the living areas and serves as a rainwater collection system, directing water to a hidden cistern, the building's unsung hero. Local construction techniques reign supreme. Most surfaces, floors, exterior walls, and wet areas are finished in simple cement, prioritizing function over decoration. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.